Hello students. Today we are going to discuss about distributed systems. Let's see about introduction of distributed systems. A distributed system is a collection of computers that are connected together and it will communicate only through the passing messages between the systems. Before getting into distributed systems, we should understand what is interdependencies and the loosely coupled and tightly coupled. We have to understand these terms, then only we can understand how the computer is going to communicate with within the network or among the networks. The loosely coupled refers the interdependencies among the system, and the tightly coupling also refers the interdependencies among the nodes or systems which is connected in the network. Where in case loosely coupled dependencies does not affect the so much of communication among the nodes or computer systems in the network, where in case of tightly coupling affects the communication among the nodes. Why? Because the interdependencies among the systems should be depend on the each other systems which is connected in the network, where in case of tightly coupling. Then we can look into the centralized system and a distributed system. In case of centralized system, there will be only one node. The other nodes are connected to the centralized node. A centralized node can have a lot of information, and the information that can be shared to the other nodes. In the case of distributed systems, each and every node have the same copy of information, where in case of centralized system, a single point of failure is possible. In case of distributed system, there is no single point of failure. These are the architectures of distributed and also characteristics of distributed systems. Architectures of distributed systems, we can follow client-server architecture, peer-to-peer architecture, multi-tier architecture, and service-oriented architecture. Characteristics of distributed systems are resource sharing, openness, concurrency, scalability, fault tolerance, and transparency. Let's get into these characteristics.